Why would a hacker want to hack your social media account if there is nothing there? You may think. Think again. Unfortunately, when it comes to social media account hacking, hackers are becoming increasingly interested in getting hold of this information. Before you think, "It won't happen to me," keep in mind that cyber attacks on well-known personalities and brands have increased in recent years. But why would someone with extensive knowledge of information technology choose to risk hacking? What motivates them to hack? Here are 5 reasons hackers are targeting social media accounts today. Before moving ahead, welcome back to our channel. Please take a brief moment, go down and smash the like button, and if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe so you never miss any of our updated videos in the future. Now let's get started on our topic. Reason number 1. Achieving financial gains. Money is a powerful motivator for many types of criminals, including cyber criminals. In fact, according to Verizon's 2020 Data Breach Investigations Report, DBIR, 86% of the data breaches they investigated were financially motivated. When hackers gain financially at the expense of others by engaging in illegal activities, they are known as black hat hackers. Hackers steal financial or personally identifiable information, PI, from victims using different methods, including malware, phishing attacks, and brute force attacks. They can then use the information to commit financial fraud, such as making fraudulent purchases or moving funds to their hacker's bank account. Hackers may also use your PII to commit the following identity theft-related crimes: make an application for a loan in your name, create fake passports and immigration papers, open a bank account, apply for a credit card in your name, and take advantage of the overdraft/credit limit. Create a fake social media account in your name, which they can also use to scam other targets. Some hackers sell stolen data on the dark web. This is an underground market where hackers and other cybercriminals can engage in legal and illegal operations. Other hackers purchase personal and sensitive information to commit financial fraud and other PII-related crimes. Such information is of interest to even unscrupulous online advertisers and marketers. It can be used to create targeted advertising or to send spam emails. In either case, if your information is hacked due to this hacker's motivation, it's a lose-lose situation. Blackmail is another extremely powerful tactic in the arsenal of any cybercriminal, including hacks. Hackers, for example, can steal secret data or intercept personal media files, pictures, movies, etc., and demand payment in exchange for not exposing the material publicly. They can even encrypt sensitive data or lock users out of their own devices before demanding a payment in exchange for access. These are just a few of the methods used by hackers to gain money. As can be seen, their strategies include lying, manipulating, threatening, and blackmailing individuals and other targets. Reason number 2. Proving a point, hacktivist. Some hackers are not worried about money. Instead, they hack to prove or impose their social, ethical, religious, or political beliefs on others. For example, Iranian hackers attacked the United States in response to the death of Iran's late Major General Qasem Soleimani. The Federal Depository Library Program website displayed President Donald Trump's image over a map of the Middle East in January 2020. Example 2. In July 2015, the Impact Team, hacktivist group, hacked the online cheating website Ashley Madison. The end results: the personal information of 32 million subscribers was publicly disclosed. They revealed the members' data in order to teach the members a lesson and force the site's owner to shut it down. Reason number 3. Taking personal revenge. Some hackers use their hacking abilities to inflict personal revenge on a person or company for an actual or perceived injustice. The hackers annoy their adversary in a variety of ways, including they are encrypting or destroying their data. Publishing confidential data or personal media files to the public is called doxing. Sending them a storm of spam and phishing emails. Hacking into their social media accounts and publishing false or obscene stuff. Hack their email accounts and send phishing emails to their contacts. Reason number 4. Hack accounts for the lols. The reasons for social media account hacking vary. One of the most common reasons for famous accounts is one you would not expect: lols. For fun. The comic book artist Todd McFarlane is Canadian. When his account was hacked, the person in charge of it tweeted lyrics by fellow Canadian Drake. It didn't serve much good, except for the fact that Todd no longer followed fellow longtime collaborator Greg Capullo. There was no real harm. As far as anyone can tell, it was purely for entertainment. They may be addicted to hacking and derive a sense of achievement from hacking an account or cheating someone. Reason number 5. For forced follows. Another reason your social media account may have been hacked is through forced followers of other accounts. This could mean that your account was hacked as part of a wider plan to hack accounts and get them to follow a specific account. This account, which may have a bogus brand name, will subsequently be used to propagate malware, as seen in the case above. Worse, you may never even realize there is an issue. Someone's post will show in your timeline or newsfeed one day. It will pretend to be a brand you are familiar with, but it is not. Social media is not just for fun and games, but you usually play Farmville on Facebook and sometimes communicate with your mother. While it may be all fun and games for you, it can be serious business for a hacker who gains access to your account and gets the necessary information. You may face real-world consequences if you do not secure your social media accounts immediately. Using strong cybersecurity practices, you may protect yourself from cyber thieves on social media. Good cyber safety practices will protect you from crooks trying to swindle you or steal your personal information on social media. When using social media as an online business platform, cybersecurity is important. For example, when you trade on social networking sites, there is a chance that information will be exposed, putting your firm in jeopardy. It has been shown that 7 out of 10 businesses have suffered losses as a result of security breaches. That's why it is important to have a cybersecurity expert on board to safeguard yourself from such harm. Cybersecurity experts continually update and improve security measures for social media accounts. If you've been using accounts like Facebook for a long, you've probably seen how the account security features are always changing. This is done mainly to safeguard your personal information. It is essential to protect your content and provide you with more personal security options so you can control how people access your page or profile. A cybersecurity expert is in high demand in almost every firm with an online presence. Their work is personalized to the unique business, such as a social media service provider or an online bank. Still, the core practice of protecting the service provider and their clients remains consistent, regardless of where the professional works. Outside of the technical measures that may be implemented, the most important are human awareness and knowledge because human error is responsible for 90% or more of cyber attacks. That is why cybersecurity awareness is key. It will allow you to collaborate with others without fear of hacking. It will protect your business against attacks. It will also reduce human errors. They will be more proactive in maintaining your cybersecurity. As a result, you reduce your chances of being breached, which will cost you a lot of money. Nobody wants that, do they? Raising awareness about cybersecurity is vital. Nobody can completely eliminate all threats and risks, but you try to lower it. Don't be gullible and add some cybersecurity. Let's now wrap up today's video. Do you face any suspicious activity on your account? What do you think cybersecurity means to social media accounts? Comment below to share your thoughts. If you want to protect your social media accounts, check out our platform www.dlevag.com. We've also added the link in the description. Before we wrap up, subscribe to our channel and stay connected with our squad. Make sure you leave a thumbs up for this video. If you want to enjoy the fruits of your labor, you have to protect it at all times. Bye for now, see you next time.